So for our next demonstration, we want to showcase some capabilities that are on the Whiteboard. Now this is that same device that we used at the very beginning of this tour when we showcased the workspace reservation kiosk, where I walked up, navigated the interactive map, and made some reservations. That same device, very flexible, it can be set up in a variety of different ways. Now it's running what we call Zoom Room for Touch because it does include the 65-inch touch screen. And so you don't need a Zoom Room controller. As you can see here, the user interface is directly on the device. Now you can pair it with a room controller if you'd like. Now what's helpful here and what we want to showcase in this particular demonstration is the power of Zoom's Whiteboard solution working together with the Neat hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and initiate a whiteboard and we'll go ahead and kickstart this. Now we launched Zoom Whiteboard, the new Zoom Whiteboard, last year, and it is a persistent whiteboard collaboration solution that you can collaborate across all of the Zoom clients, your mobile device, your laptop, from the web portal, as well as on Zoom Rooms. And this is not just an in-meeting tool. You can build these whiteboards over the course of projects, so you can really stay organized and you can revisit where you left off with your work. Now there's a lot of tools built in here. My favorite is the templates. Let me go ahead here. And with templates here, what we did was we worked with a lot of our clients to actually build templates that are the most common use case scenarios for this type of collaboration. And so if I'm kickstarting a team meeting or a project, I can find the most appropriate template. I can start with that, and that will pre-populate this to get me started with my visual collaboration here. And so now I can go in there and I can add things like virtual sticky notes if I wanted to. I can type those in. I can now react on them. So it makes it nice and easy for teams to collaborate. We don't all have to be in the room here. Again, people can be participating from their own personal devices from anywhere in the world. So it's nice. At the end of our session here, what's important is we want to take this work with us, right? Gone are the days where we're writing on a dry erase board and putting Post-it notes up to say, do not erase. It's important because we don't want to leave any of our information on a shared device like this, where other people are going to come in and have their own meetings and collaboration. So what I can do here is I can go ahead and save this. There's a couple different ways I can do this, but the most simple is to leverage those QR codes. So as a user, I can scan that QR code, and what it does is it authenticates me as a user and saves that whiteboard to my personal profile. So as soon as I do that, the whiteboard is brought into the Zoom clients and it's accessible to me and only me. And at that point, I can go ahead and share this out to team members that I'm working with. I can make them full editors or read-only or a variety of different control capabilities for the actual whiteboard. But the point there is this work comes with me. So I can go home, put the kids to bed, pull up my iPad, and continue working on this same